Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world in terms of market cap. It has a market cap of $250 billion, which makes it bigger than companies like Nike and Coca-Cola. So what is Ethereum and why is this second largest cryptocurrency in the world so much sought after these days? Let us get into it. Now, in order to get a fair idea about Ethereum, we need to put it in context with the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Ethereum is nothing like Bitcoin. So as we talked about in the previous video, Bitcoin is a digital decentralized currency that runs on blockchain technology. Now, blockchain allows Bitcoin to do all the transaction in the most transparent manner. Now, when a transaction is made on a blockchain network, it alerts the other systems on the network so that all the systems on the network can validate a certain transaction. Now, Bitcoin has been compared to the traditional currency as it has some storage value and you can buy and sell goods using Bitcoin. Ethereum, however, works in a very different manner. Now, the concept of Ethereum was conceptualized back in 2013 by a then 19-year-old named Vitalik Buterin. Now, Buterin proposed a system that runs on decentralized smart contracts called Ethereum. So, the basis of Ethereum is to run on smart contracts. Now, let us get into what are smart contracts. So, right now, the internet is centralized. That means if you want to make a transaction over the internet, you have to make it through a third party. For example, buying something on Amazon, where Amazon acts as a third party between you and the seller and then takes a cut of each sale for providing the transaction and facilitating the payment. In this case, Amazon is the central authority. So this is how a smart contract works, that if you buy something from Amazon, you get the product from Amazon. There is an unsaid digital contract between you and the website, in this case Amazon. A smart contract has certain conditions to be met, and as far as those conditions are met, the transaction will take place through the Ethereum network. Now, in case of Amazon, it has a process in place that is used to pay the seller and then keep a track of all the transactions that are happening on the platform. With Ethereum, the idea is to automate all of these transactions, making them more efficient and much cheaper. Now, on Ethereum, developers are trying to automate real-world contracts. Those are known as smart contracts. So basically, the Amazon transaction that we talked about would be automated in the presence of smart contracts. Now, the Ethereum network that uses smart contracts is based on something called Ether. Now, Ether is used as the medium of exchange on Ethereum, meaning that it is the cryptocurrency that Ethereum network is based on. So when we are talking about Ethereum as a cryptocurrency, we are basically referring to Ether coins. Now, Ether is used to pay the transaction fees on the Ethereum network, but these two words are interchangeable in the current cryptocurrency space. Now, to give you a more wider understanding of Ethereum, let us put it in comparison to the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Now, the most major difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is the supply. Now, while Bitcoin, only 21 million Bitcoins exist in total in the world, Ethereum currently can be mined 18 million Ether coins per year. So why does Ethereum's value rise if it can be generated on an yearly basis or on a timely basis? Now, currently the value of Ethereum is based solely on speculation and demand. More and more apps coming on the Ethereum network also helps in rising the value of the cryptocurrency. The value of Ethereum lies in its network and its future policy. Ethereum is being seen as more than just a cryptocurrency in today's world. In the longer run, the adaptation of cryptocurrency will determine the success of Ethereum. For Ethereum to become a wider concept in the world, it will depend on how much usability it will bring to the society and how fast it brings it. Till then, we can only track the value of the highly volatile cryptocurrency and invest wisely. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to CNN News 18.